I just want to make
Yeah,
sure.
I see what you're doing. Yeah. Making sure we have a board to screw into
Okay.
with the tin.
So we got marked on both sides, and then we're just gonna make sure with the chalk line that we got a board so we can screw into a board every time. We got the tar paper down.
40 and a 30 seconds.
Disadvantage of the glasses now?
There's no excuse, damn it. Oh, broke my glasses. Damn crying His cut was off.
Well, I cut it to 36, but here to help.
Oh, that'll fit in there. Give her a good hit. Look at this. It's starting early, Yvonne.
Yep.
It's going to be a challenging day.
I'm just saying.
I know you're just saying. You're always just saying.
So you gonna fill all the gaps or just some?
No, just where we snap the chalk line, we just want to make sure that this was too close.
Yeah.
So we want to make sure. All I heard is mumble, mumble.
I bet you do. Oh,
Me,
better put on my spectacles. Hire someone you don't pay, you know that, eh? It's pretty hard to do.
I think I'm just gonna pay you so I can fire you. All right. Let's not do that.
Who did that?
Me. Dad's garage.
Okay, you take the heavy end. Oh, what a guy.
You just don't understand. Do you?
No, I guess not. I'm not here for my intelligence, is what you're trying to tell me? I'm just here for stupid bronze strength. And I don't even have much of that. So I just let her fall to the ground?
Jeez.
Probably what'll end up happening.
Hey. Ladder's in the
All
way.
right. Ladder's in the way.
So you want me to get down, I take it?
Could you move the ladder?
Bring roll.
They put a little bit of grease around the coffee cup after a styrofoam coffee cup, and they plunk it on your hat. You wouldn't even notice that. Hey, you're walking around, you got a coffee cup stuck in your hard hat. I remember one time I come back, I was working through the units, and I walk into the office, and I can't remember the guy's name. He starts laughing his ass off. I said, "What the hell? Fly done or something? Undone or something? Take your hat off." They'd blown up a glove, put some tape on it, and it stuck it. So it was just
Like
waving.
a chicken.
It was like a chicken, waving around a chicken. And he said, "Well, the guys must like you." He said, "If they don't like you, they don't do anything." I said, "I wish they'd hate me."
Yeah, no kidding.
The longest ones we got.
I don't see a check mark, but there's only one mark here. Here, you want to get some more chalk on there? Or you want to try one without it? Yeah, let's try one more without it then. And if it's not good, we'll fix it. Someplace around there, you figure? Yep.
I'm right on it.
So we're going to start from this side, work down?
We're going to start from this side. There we go.
Edge to the
Here.
90. Nope. This way?
Oh, from here?
Yeah, exactly. That will give you your coverage, right?
So that's two and a quarter.
Yeah, right there. Okay, so we're 153 and a quarter. Give us more. Yeah, a little more. No more. Okay, you should mushroom those wash gaskets a little bit.
Okay. I didn't know
Just
how
a little
much
bit, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, this one's good. That one looks like could be used a little more. A little more. There, like that.
Okay, that's what you want.
Yeah. It's not so bad here because you don't have a long run. You only got like one sheet, right?
Which one goes up, Daryl?
What?
I guess that end.
What?
I
What
just
end?
can ask them which end goes up.
Oh, that end.
Apparently. So we got the wrong end up?
Nope. With the big
Spin
edge
it
over.
around. I guess it really doesn't matter, eh?
Well, with this tin, it seems like it does because this was sticking up higher, right? On this one, right?
Yeah.
That's why we went under, right? Just that one had a little bulge.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is
How long is that one, Bill?
126.
126?
Yeah, it's a little bit
Is
longer.
it? 6.5.
We're right on the money. This one down.
Yeah.
Losing our cart paper. Whoops. Wait, whoa.
Oh,
Gotta go underneath there.
is it underneath?
It is now.
Yeah. Okay, you're flush with that other one? It looks like you're a little long, so push her up. Flush? Yeah. Okay, wait a second. So
Got an overhang there?
Huh?
What kind of overhang you got?
I'll get the right long overhang. Well, I guess I got 3/4 of an inch. Why is that? Are we tight already? On the inside? Should be like here. That's an inch and a quarter. Does it line up a little bit?
Okay, hang on. I'll pull this back. Listen to that. Pull it back your way, Phil.
Oh,
Okay. Get her even her up there.
this is just the mark. The in between ones out.
Talking 12.
So I can cut it off.
Phil, if you hold it. Put it as close to the rib as you can. Like, you see the way the other ones are? Like, don't put it right on the rib, but see where the green one is?
Yeah.
You see that chalk line?
Kind of, yeah.